Good morning. I want to send you a video today because we are starting unit number 2. If you have not taken the unit 1 test yet, you need to do that. It is on Google Classroom from yesterday, and you get to it in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Up here, there's a button that says GCCS Bookmarks. You need to click on Performance Matters. And after you click on Performance Matters, then you need to open the online test and take that test. Please get that done today. Today, we're starting a new unit about multiplying exponents. And multiplying and dividing exponents is pretty simple. If you see right here, I have 11 to the 4th power times 11 to the 5th power, but I'm not going to multiply 4 times 5. I'm actually going to add the two of them together. And in this case, 5 plus 4 would equal 9. So that would mean that x right here would need to equal 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one in there. And your assignments today are on Khan Academy. There's 2 of them there. I'm going to show you how to do both of them. This one right here, it says y to the 6th times y to the 3rd. Once again, I'm going to add these two exponents together when I multiply powers. So I'm multiplying this power times this power, but really I'm going to add 6 plus 3 and I get 9. So the answer is going to be y to the 9th. Now pay attention right here, because to get that to the 9th power, to get that exponent, I need to click on this one that says a, b. So I'm going to click on that right there. Once I do, it moves it up to the exponent location, and then I can check my answer and move on to the next question. Simple again. 3 plus 7 is going to be 2 to the 10th power. So I'm going to write 2 to the 10th power, and it just says simplify. It doesn't say solve it all the way out. So it says rewrite the expression in the form of 2 to the n power. Well, it's going to be 7 plus 3 is 10. So I just put 2 to the 10th power. I don't actually take 2 times 2 10 times. On this one right here, it's telling me that the answer is 6 to the 5th. So I know that 4 plus x will equal 5 because I add the exponents when I am multiplying. So I'm going to add 4 plus x and get 5. So x has to equal 1 in this case, because 4 plus 1 equals 5. Your first assignment is that easy on Khan Academy. The second assignment gets just a little bit more complicated because you're doing division, but division isn't really that complicated either. When you divide powers, all you do is subtract them. The reason that it gets a little complicated is because they throw in negatives. So right here, I'm going to subtract -3 minus 12. If I have 3 negatives and then I add 12 more negatives to it because I'm subtracting 12, so it's like minus 12 or -12, -3 minus 12 actually gives me -15. So my answer would be 9 to the -15th power. And let's see if they need that simplified or if that will be kind of correct. That's correct. So we'll go with that right there. You're not supposed to have negative exponents as an answer, but apparently they are okay with that. Right here, I'm going to add these because this is no longer division. This is multiplication. So pay attention to what symbol you have. So I need to add -11 plus -15 if I have 11 negatives. And then I add 15 more negatives to that. I end up with 26 negatives. So I get the answer of z to the power of -26. Right here, I am multiplying. There's not a multiplication symbol right there, but when you have parentheses that touch each other, that means multiplication. So I need to add 6 plus -8. If I have 6 positives and I have 8 negatives, 6 positives will cancel out 6 of the negatives, and I'll be left with 2 of the negatives. So I would get an answer of 4 to the -2nd power. And then we're back to division right here. So I need to divide, but I'm not really dividing. I'm going to subtract the -2 minus 4. And when you do a negative minus a number, you're just combining the numbers together. So I've got 2 negatives, and then subtraction is kind of the same as negative. So then I have 4 negatives. So it's -2 minus 4, which would be -6. So I get b to the -6th power. And I get my answer. So finish up those 2 Khan Academy assignments today, and you'll be done for the day. Have a good Tuesday.